Okay, today we are going to talk about how technology can help solve one of the most common urban problems, traffic congestion. Specifically, we will discuss how machine learning can enhance traffic management and classify road conditions more effectively. So, let me introduce the identity of the journal I'm reviewing today. So the article is entitled Traffic Management Enhancement, a competitive machine learning system for traffic condition classification. It was written by Surya Mikrandi Nasution, Reza Rendian Septiawan, Rifki Muhammad Fikri, and Burhanuddin Digantoro. This paper was published in the International Journal of Transport Development and Integration in 225. You can find this completely study in volume 8, number 4, from pages 553 to 567. Okay, let's move to research objective. So the core aims of this study is to introduce and develop a competitive machine learning system based on a multi-level classification framework. The system is specifically designed to support decision-making in intelligence transport system or ITS by accurately classifying urban traffic conditions, which ultimately help proactively mitigate traffic congestion in smart cities. Okay, next to research subject. So, study focus on two main components. First, the traffic condition classifications, which are categorized into three distinct states: smooth, heavy, and congested. Second, the study evaluated six core machine learning methods utilizing various configurations, such as support, vector machines, and random forests, all of which were tested against regional road traffic datasets. Okay, next, we move to research methodology. So, let's move to research methodology. There is have two methods. The first one is the authors focused on identifying the optimal model configuration among various machine learning methods. They tested six different algorithms, including neural networks, key nearest neighbor, logistic regression, Bayesian networks, decision trees, and random forest, with each method featuring 4 to 5 configuration variants. And once the best performing configuration were identified, they were integrated into a voting system to determine the final most stable traffic condition classification. Okay, sorry for the noise. Okay, next, we will talk about research. So the study successfully evaluated the individual accuracy of each tested model random forest achieved like 72%. Decision trees is 7.2%. Key nearest neighbors like 70.5%. Neural networks like 66.2%. Bayesian network 46.1%, and logistic regression 44.4%. So, yeah, to many percent. So, the implementation of the competitive concept and voting system proved to provide better and more stable multi-level classification performance compared to relying solely on a single traditional machine learning method. Okay, next to strength of the research. So, the strength of this research of this journal is outlined and innovate multi-level and voting-based and architecture. This approach is highly effective because it prevents the final output from being biased toward in a single algorithm. Furthermore, the paper directly addresses a highly relevant real-world urban problem, making it highly practical for modern urban planning. And then, conclusion of this journal is this level competitive machine learning system represents a significant breakthrough in smart traffic management by dynamically comparing various model configurations and delivering a more precise final classification through a voting mechanism. This paper offers a unique and valuable contribution to the field of traffic management. Thank you. And I am now open to any question you may have. Okay, hi again. And now we are going to look into the construction industry, which is well known for its high complexity and unexpected risks. Specifically, we will discuss how advanced technology, like an artificial neural network approach, can be used to improve risk management and ensure safer, more efficient construction projects. Okay, so to dive deeper into this topic, I have reviewed a very insightful research paper. Before we get into the main analysis, let me first introduce the identity of this journal. So the article is entitled An Artificial Neural Network Approach for Construction Project Risk Management. It was written by Lubna Hadojja, Agabo, Brahim Kehal, and Mohamed Mouda. This paper was published in the International Journal of Safety and Security Engineering in 2024. You can find this study in volume 14, number 2, on page 553 to 561. Okay, let's move to research objective. This research aims to explore how stakeholders perceive various types of risk in construction projects and to develop a highly accurate risk prediction more using an artificial neural network or ANN approach. So let's move to subject. The subject of the study are construction project risks, classified under four risk responsibility domains, like shared, contractor, client, and data loss, and the perceptions or input of construction stakeholder in Algeria used to train the artificial neural network or INN model. Okay, let's move to the methodology. This journal is used the study adopt a quantitative approach by mapping risk perceptions into four responsibility categories, like before, like shared, contractor, client, and loss of data. This data is then processed using a multi-layer perceptron or MLP and an architecture. The topology of the neural network is optimized by monitoring changes in the mean square error or MSE and the coefficient of determination. Okay, let's see the result of this research journal. The proposed ANN model demonstrated outstanding performance and reliability in predicting construction project risks. This is supported by excellent quantitative metrics, specifically a remarkable low mean square error or MSE and a very high coefficient of determination. So let's talk about strength of this research. So the model's predictive accuracy is exceptionally high and mathematically robust. It offers a modern solution that is far more objective than traditional, often subjective, risk assessment methods. And then at the end, conclusion, the artificial neural network or INN approach is proven to be a valid, reliable, and effective method for preventive risk management in the construction industry. So the model successfully captures complex, nonlinear relationship from historical risk variable to forecast potential project risk in the future. Yeah, I think that's it for review of this journal. Thank you and goodbye.